Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is day 14 in this beautiful project we are still doing, and we are still going strong. All of you who have joined me, who color along with me, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are here for each other. If you get fed up with it, or you just, I just don't want to do this anymore, just reach out and we will pull you through, because we are going to finish this book. I'm really enthusiastic today. What are we going to do? Let me see. Oh, this one. Yeah, I had a bit of trouble with the color palette, so I only have 3 colors right now, because I actually have still no idea what I'm going to do. I pulled out a celery yellow. I think I'm going to do that for the top of the, it's kind of a mandrake-like, I don't know. So I don't know what it's going to be, but just trust the process and see where it's going to take us. Get yourself a drink. I poured myself a big cup of tea and your supplies, and let's get coloring. done, number 14. And I love how this little guy turned out. As you can see, sometimes you just have to trust the process. And what happens when the minute I start coloring, my brain just goes and goes. And so I got an idea with the eyes. He looks really cute, but I wanted to make him a little bit more fierce. So I did the red and the yellows with the eyes. And then I thought, well, I have to get those oranges and reds back into the picture. Otherwise, you're missing the cohesion. So, and then it all just came together. And this is the result. So number 14 is done. I think my jelly roll glaze is still wet. So I'm going to put this in between. Take this page because we can do another leaf. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, there's no yellow in here yet, so let's do a yellow. And as you already noticed, my ohus are really struggling sometimes, but we're keeping it up. They're still the first set I started with, so they're about 2 years old. But here we go. Number 14 is done. So let's see what is going to be next tomorrow. Careful. This is going to be a hard one. I always find coloring skeletons a little bit boring, but the candy is fun. Maybe do some bright colors. What is that on his head? I think it's a hat it's part of the hat and with a candle. So let's see how it goes. We still have one night to sleep over it and think about the color palette. But for now, this little guy is done. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coloring along with me. It really is really supportive to see all your completed pages in this gorgeous book. So let's keep it up. And I will hope to see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye-bye.